Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Say cheese with Uma. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா some interesting facts about the world. மார்னிங் வீடியோ இல்லையா, ஸோ அதனால ஒரு கொஞ்சம் இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவாக ஜிகே மாதிரி ஓகேவா, அந்த மாதிரி பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ some interesting unknown facts you should know. So this video is going to be in English so that like children and other language people, everybody will understand. That is the reason I'm doing this video in English. It's been long time since I uploaded a video in English, guys. Okay, just kindly adjust. So first point is hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water. Hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water. Next point is Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. You know that beautiful Mona Lisa, she has no eyebrows. The sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, uses every letter in the English language. The sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, uses every letter in the English language. The strongest muscle in the body is, you must be knowing, tongue. The strongest muscle in the body is tongue. Ants can take rest for around 8 minutes in 12-hour period. Ants take rest only for 8 minutes in 12-hour period. I am is the shortest complete sentence in the English language. I am is the shortest complete sentence in the English language. Coca-Cola was originally green. Coca-Cola was originally green. The most common name in the world is Mohammed. The most common name in the world is Mohammed. When the moon is directly overhead, you will weigh slightly less. When the moon is directly overhead, you will weigh slightly less. Camels have 3 eyelets to protect themselves from the blowing desert sand. Camels have 3 eyelets to protect themselves from blowing desert sand. Okay, wow. There are only 2 words in English that have 5 vowels in order: abstemious and facetious. ABSTEMIOUS, AEIOU. It's in the order. And facetious, FACETIOUS. These 2 words are the English language, only 2 words that have all 5 vowels in order: abstemious and facetious. The name of all continents end with same letter that they start with. Name of all continents, do you know this fact? Name of all the continents end with the same letter that they start with. There are 2 credit cards for every person in United States. There are 2 credit cards. Typewriter is the longest word that can be made using the letters only on the row of the keyboard. Okay, wow. You know something? Chocolates can kill dogs as it contains theobromine, which affects their heart and nervous system. So guys, don't give chocolate to dogs, okay? Chocolate can kill dogs as it contains theobromine, which affects their heart and nervous system. Okay. Women blink nearly twice as much as men. Women blink twice as much as men. It is impossible to lick your elbow. The Guinness Book of Records holds the record for being the book most often stolen from the libraries, public libraries. People say bless you when you sneeze, because when you sneeze, your heart stops for a millisecond. When you sneeze, your heart stops for a millisecond. Then rhythm is the longest English word without a vowel. Rhythm, RHYTHM, is the longest English word without a vowel. If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. Oh my God, sneeze. So many things about sneeze. Then what else? This is the only food that doesn't spoil. What is this? It is a question. Just guess now. This is the only food that doesn't spoil. What is this? Only food that doesn't spoil. That is, guess. Honey. The answer is honey. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. A snail can sleep for 3 years. A snail can sleep for 3 years. All polar bears are left-handed. American Airlines saved $40,000 in 1987 by eliminating one olive from each salad served in first class. Oh my god. Butterflies taste with their feet. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. Elephants are the only animal that can't jump. Elephants are the only that can't jump animal. Because it's very huge. On average, people fear spiders more than they do death. People fear spiders more than they do death. Stewardess is the longest word typed only with left hand. The ant always falls over on its right side when intoxicated. The ant always falls over on its right side when it's intoxicated. The electric chair was invented by a dentist. The electric chair was invented by a dentist. Wearing headphones for just 1 hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. Wearing headphones for just 1 hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. Guys, avoid using earphones. Rats multiply so quickly that in 18 months, 2 rats could have over 1 million descendants. The human heart creates enough pressure when it pumps out to the body to squirt blood 30 feet. The cigarette lighter was invented before the match. The cigarette lighter was invented before the match, it seems. Most lipstick contains fish scales. Most lipstick contains fish scales. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. Like fingerprint, everyone's tongue print is different. 99% of people who read this will try to lick their elbow. 98% of the people who read this don't know what is SEO. What is SEO? If you know, comment. I really don't know. Okay, that's it, guys. So this is like a GK. I did this video like a GK for children, for many people. So that is why I did in English, and I hope many facts must be new to you. It was new to me. I guess must be new to you also. Thank you, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Cheese with Uma. Have a nice day. Thank you.